last year the open mic was right behind me, somewhere over there, and this year it's going to be at Deventer Food Dog. Next Wednesday. You can still buy your tickets, so I hope to see you there. Yeah, just be there because it's going to be amazing.